In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Chrome Update with AI features in Windows 11. If you want access to the newest Chrome experience, including the latest AI-related features that come with updated versions, the first thing you need to do is make sure your browser is fully up to date. The good news is that Chrome makes this very simple, and the whole process only takes a minute or two. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings, and it's where you'll find the update section as well. After that, click Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and system preferences. For this tutorial, though, we're heading to the section that shows your browser version and checks for updates. Inside Settings, click About Chrome. As soon as you open this page, Chrome will usually start checking for updates automatically. This is the area where you can update your Chrome browser to the newest available version. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading and installing it right there. Depending on your internet speed and how large the update is, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. Keeping Chrome updated is important because new features, including AI tools and improvements, are often only available in the latest version. Updates can also include security patches and performance fixes, so this step is useful even beyond accessing AI mode. Once the update is complete, you'll see the option to relaunch the browser. Simply click Relaunch. This restarts Chrome so the update can be fully applied. Make sure to save any important work in open tabs beforehand, just in case you're in the middle of something. After Chrome reopens, the updated version will now be active, and the AI mode should be available on your newly updated browser version if it's included in that release for your device and region. If you don't see it right away, give Chrome a moment to finish loading, and then check again within the browser's features or settings. And that's it. That's how to update Chrome in Windows 11 so you can access the newest version and its AI features.